Sun Lake's kitchen and bath remodeling. Need to update your less functional bathroom or kitchen? Your kitchen and bathroom are two of the most important spaces in your home. But over time they can become outdated, less functional, and in need of a serious makeover. Clients love our commitment to reliable, respectful service and our ability to deliver high-quality results, always considering your comfort and convenience. Get in touch with us today to start transforming your kitchen or bathroom. No more lifeless or dysfunctional kitchen and bathroom. With homeowners spending more and more time in their homes, it's becoming increasingly important to ensure the space is functional, safe, and updated. Kitchen and bath renovations in Sun Lakes not only improve the appearance and functionality of your home, but they can also increase its value. You can work with our professional design build firm to create a custom plan that suits your needs. They can help you choose the right materials, appliances, and finishes to achieve your desired look and feel. If you're considering a renovation project, contact Phoenix Home Remodeling today and let us help you bring your vision to life with our expert design build services. Let's work together to create a space you'll love. Kitchen Bath Remodeling Contractors in Sun Lakes, Arizona. Are you dreaming of the perfect bathroom and kitchen for your Sun Lakes home, but feeling overwhelmed by the countless options for contractors? Don't worry, we've got you covered. At Phoenix Home Remodeling, we're not just reliable and experienced, we truly care about your vision and satisfaction. We take pride in our exceptional service and impressive track record of delivering amazing results. With our extensive experience in kitchen and bath makeovers, we're confident that we can bring your dream space to life. We're not just a team of contractors, we're your partners in creating the home you've always wanted. Bathroom and kitchen design professionals. Are you dreaming of a perfect kitchen and bath design that reflects your style and taste? Phoenix Home Remodeling is here to partner with you and bring your vision to life with the help of our distinguished Sun Lakes kitchen and bath design. From the initial consultation to the final reveal, we'll work with you to ensure that every aspect of the layout and design meets your expectations. Thank you for watching this video. Our team at Phoenix Home Remodeling will take great care of you and your home. If you are interested in remodeling, our telephone number is 602-492-8205. You can also visit us online at phxhomeremodeling.com.